You rose before dawn, drove 2 hours for 20 seconds of pure adrenaline. Crazy? Maybe. Skyline Drive staring you down. What you got? Power. Technology. Every RPM pulling you forward. The legs, the arms, all doing the dance. Then, the turbos really start to kick in, punching through. A straight shot. Your reward for your hard work? This. Nearly 7,000 RPM bouncing off the walls, surrounding you in pure, unfiltered exhilaration. Nothing else puts goosebumps on your goosebumps. Nothing feels like a Z. You know that road. Out in the middle of nowhere. That legendary stretch of twisty asphalt that begs to be driven. The corners? They're ours. We know their secrets. That sweeper with the late apex? You're in the right machine. With control and balance to power out. You live for that moment. Nothing feels like that perfect curve. Nothing feels like a Z. Sometimes you just want to lose yourself in the drive. Sometimes you want to be part of it all. The lights, the sounds, the energy. Alive. It's a different kind of thrill. But still one only a Nissan Z can provide. You own the moment. An icon that's the essence of thrill. Brilliantly lighting the way forward. Perfected over 50 years. One that's always, unmistakably, Nissan Z. Putting you at the center of the experience. Amplifying every moment. A true driver's cockpit. Surrounding you in technology that also has a soul. Nothing sounds like it. Nothing looks like it. Nothing feels like it. The Nissan Z.